Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Wealth Management Podcast from MPIinvest.com. And first thing that we need to say is I'm really happy. Gold has been hitting all-time highs, and our investment in gold is doing really well at this point of time. So overall, things are looking great, and of course, the markets are something which is taking a break from the rally at this point of time. So that's completely natural because after a rally, there has to be a break. There cannot be a continuous rally. However, the last week expectation of hitting an all-time high, taking it further, did not happen. So at this point of time, looks like even if you see the all-time high, the previous all-time high to this all-time high was a very small difference. So it was not actually a breakout. It was probably just a false breakout that happened last week, and then from there, markets have kind of been consolidating at this point of time. So, of course, things are looking kind of bleak at this point of time because one very important thing we need to understand, the markets need to take some cues from somewhere. So, generally, it takes from two things. One could be the global markets, and two is a Indian market, specifically the stock specific news. So as I've discussed earlier, this is a month where we have quarterly results starting to come soon, and the markets are probably waiting for the quarterly results to take some reaction on from that, or it has to take from the global cues. So if you see globally, U.S. markets is in a weak section already. So last 2 days Dow has been falling. Yesterday also it fell majorly because of some heavyweights like Tesla coming out with their sales numbers, which has seen a year-on-year drop in the last quarter, which is not a great thing. So we could see most of electric vehicle stocks in the US falling, and that has kind of triggered some sell-off in the US at this point of time. So overall, the markets are kind of taking a break globally, I would say, not just India, but then they are looking for cues to move further up. So that is something which we would need to wait for. However, every dip can be considered as a good buying opportunity is what I believe in, and I am doing that for myself as well. So this is it for now. Not much more detail, nothing more to talk about in detail, but then let us see how things go. And of course, we need to watch on the data that's coming in. By the way, the PMI data has come in, which is a 16-year high. So I would not really take that very positive because Indian companies are like that. They take the last quarter of the month as one of their most powerful power-packed months. I'm only afraid that the next quarter it may come slightly lower. But you don't be surprised if it comes slightly lower. Markets have kind of accepted that already. So that's how markets are at this point of time. So let us discuss with more details on depending on what happens today in tomorrow morning's podcast. Until then, this was Srikanth Rajan signing off from a very short podcast. Goodbye. Have a great day. See you.